make your slide, good slide, and you can make your data representation or make your structure using insert your shape. You can make some structure, okay? Now, another tool is Origin software tool. Origin software tool is another tool. It is the data analysis and graphing software of choice for over 500,000 scientists and engineers in commercial industries, academia, and government laboratories worldwide. Okay, it is produced by Origin Lab Corporation and runs on Microsoft's Windows. It is focused and limited to a specific scope. So it is very good software. I already used and I'm using this software, and you can make your results very good shape. I already share my data, one figure that is created by Origin software. Okay, so you can use the Origin software. It will create a good result representation curve. So we may use the Origin software. Okay, so just I share how can create a data. Okay, so just you can take new file, new book. Okay, then just put your data and then select and just plot. Okay, then select and plot, then you can get this graph, and then just you can edit by using some clicking. Then you can just select, and if you click here, then you can get this type of curve straight, and if you select this, you can get this type of curve. If you can select this and many shape, you can generate it by using this Origin software. Okay, and you can take your upper curve from this right side bar. You can take this. Okay, by clicking this, you can take or you can make a good shape of your curve. Okay, and you can edit A, you can edit B, whatever you want, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, then another tool is Matlab. Matlab is another good tool for programming or your data representation. Okay, Matlab is a multi-paradigm numerical computing environment and proprietary programming language developed by MathWorks. Okay, MathWorks. Matlab allows matrix manipulations, plotting of functions and data, implementation of algorithm, creating of user interfaces, and interfacing with programs written in other languages. Okay. So Matlab, you can check the Matlab from this link. You can download and you can install. Okay, then you can run. So Matlab is both for you can plot and also analyze your data. Okay, you know about the C programming. So C programming, some C programming coding you can put in Matlab. It's very easy way. Okay, so Matlab is a good software. I'm using Matlab for my research purpose. Okay. So another representation technique is R. Okay, R is a programming language for statistical computing and data visualization. It has been adopted in the fields of data mining, bioinformatics, and data analysis. So if you analyze your statistical analyzing, so you can use the R software. Okay, the core R language is augmented by a large number of extension packages containing reusable code, documentations, and sample data. Our software is open source and free software. Okay, it is open source and free. It is licensed by GNU project and available under the GNU General Public License. It is written primarily in C, Fortran, and R itself. Pre-compiled executables are provided for various operating systems. Okay, so this is the website. You can download from this website, and you can install and you can run in your Windows. Okay, and if you want to analyze your data by statistical analysis, so you can install our software and you can check your data from this software.